Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Pierre Beer Classes. Today we discussing about definition of force and fundamental forces in nature. And force. Definition of force is defined as the push or pull on a object with mass that causes it to change its velocity. See here diagram. One man is pushing the box from ear to ear. By applying force, the box is changes its position from one position to other position. It is called force. And formula of force is F equal to m into A, where m is a mass and A is called acceleration, and SI unit for force is Newton. Okay, and fundamental forces in nature. One is gravitational force and electromagnetic force and strong nuclear force, and one another is weak nuclear force. Today we discussing the gravitational force. What is gravitational force? Gravity is a force that attracts a body towards the center of the earth or towards any other physical body having mass. See here diagram, the fruit is falling towards the earth surface. Because of gravity, the fruits are falling towards the surface of the earth. In any object in earth, it is always come towards the earth because of earth's gravitational force. In other planets also having their gravitational force, but in earth gravitational force is about 9.8 meter per second square. Okay, this is gravitational force. In next classes we discussing other fundamental forces. Other fundamental forces are electromagnetic force. That all are we discussing in next class. Please share, subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.